damnrIgotKnives here with another knife review. Yeah, I couldn't resist here. I had to do it. So, you know what's coming. Let's do it. Microtech UTX70 here for the opening. California legal out the front. Alright, got another package from Dirty D. Let's check it out. In his famous blue wrapping. Looks like he works at a car wash or something, and those are the rags. Dealing Balisongs on the side. Put that box over there. Alright, let's get into it. What do you got for me? Oh yeah. Let's go color on this. Those handles look really cool. And they feel really grippy there. A good design for this, actually. And the corners are rounded a little bit. That's actually really kind of smart. Little stepped thing going on. Can you see that? It's like 3 little steps. That is amazing looking. I did not know that was on the side of these. Look at that arrow. Oh yeah. And the purple goes here, but not there, it's gold. I guess what I'm trying to say is there's more gold than purple. And these little circles here, actually this design is really cool. It's got Zen pins, you can see them there. And it's got that same bite handle indicator right there. But with this thing, the thing that's crazy about it is there's bite freaking everywhere on this thing. Each one of these is sharp right here. Razor sharp. Oh, this thing's insane. All right, let's take a closer look. Enhance to color. Wow. This thing just looks like it's gonna hang up on your skin. Even trying to wipe it down like this is kind of tricky. Let's see this design here. What is that? Is it upside down? Is that the Xolo? It is, I think. So those are the hairless dogs in Mexico. Xolo. My mom has one and my stepdad has a Mexican hairless dog, and the thing really doesn't like me at all, and I get along with a lot of animals, but this dog just does not like me, growls at me, barks at me. I can see why this knife is named after that. Look at that detail. Titanium handles. And here's the thing, I noticed this about the Valkyria that I have. Inside these channels, the attention to detail here is good. They're milled this out and polished it. Channeled titanium handles that are actually polished on the inside. Man, they've done a great job on these. That is the craziest looking blade. This is sharp too, not razor sharp, but it's sharp. Not like a cut yourself sharp. I really like the design on the handles a lot. I like the purple and the gold. I'm down with this. All right, let's, no tap. Imagine when you're flipping, if this thing comes back and bites you, it's gonna tear you up. This thing feels good. Wonder how heavy it is. 4.6 ounces here. Same brand, the black Valkyria, 4.9 ounces. Let's take a look at the Kraken. 4.3, so we'll go like that. This one's lighter. How about we look at a replicant? No latch without the pocket clip, but my little lanyard instead. How about the Demon Light? 4.7, almost 4.8. Yeah, this is almost 4.8. And of course the Alpha Beast, 4.7. This one feels a little bit. This Valkyria reminds me a lot of the Alpha Beast in certain ways. All right, that's a good comparison. This is shorter. These handles are very similar on these, I believe. But it's not like significant. It's not like a short handle. These are like still great for flipping. These have extra long handles. Let's get back to this and put these away. Black Balisong. I'm a fan of this company. The detail, the craftsmanship on this. I'm gonna check everything on this. It feels good. It's not as loose as the Valkyria was when I got it, and that's okay. I tighten and take these things apart anyways. It doesn't bother me. As long as they're like good and can be tuned up well, then it's fine. Like this thing is just on fire. Really beautiful. Man, again, black Balisong, way to go. So yeah, my parents have one of these dogs. The dog is straight from hell. I don't like it, but I love this knife. Let's go ahead and zoom in 30%. All right. Wait a minute. Hold there. Zoom in 50%. Pan left. Zoom in another 30%. Pan left. Hold. Zoom in 20%. Turn black and white. Enhance. Zoom in 10%. Pan left. Zoom in 30%. Enhance. Oh my God. It is the devil's. It's here. When I realized this, I thought to do a bone graft from my parents' dog, and I zoomed in, and this is what I found. Same thing on my parents' dog. Okay, man, let's zoom back out. So I'm gonna flip this thing around, have some fun with it, try not to cut myself. I'll be back. Tell you about this knife and black Balisong in general is that they make a legit Balisong. I really like the Aztec design of this. I like what it's named after, the dog, the Xolo. I also like that there's no pocket clip or latch.
There's no pocket clip or latch.
There's no pocket clip or latch. These handles are really grippy, and that stepped deal really makes it friendly for flipping. Really like the feel of this handle a lot. These are very sharp, but these ones are not pointy here, but they're flattened along the top, while these come to an edge. It got me. All right, we've been listening to this record, The Two Lone Swordsmen, The Double Gone Chapel. This is a really cool record. Kind of electro, grungy weirdness. It almost reminds me of the Butthole Surfers or something at times. This came out in 2004, and I was never really familiar with them, and I came across it lately, and I really liked it, listening to it. They were a band from London, did music between 1986 and 2020. One of the guys passed away in 2020, and unfortunately they're no longer, but they've left some cool records, man. I'm gonna look into them more. The Two Lone Swordsmen. That's a good knife name. I'm into this. I've been drinking this, the Hazy Viking by Wild Barrel. It's an IPA, and Wild Barrel did it again with their IPA. I like it. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. This is the Black Balisong Xolo. This thing is super badass. I'm really digging it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Dirty D. This is Damn Right I Got Knives. Signing out. Adios, amigos.